Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Turn Wi-Fi on and enable location so networks appear accurately. This helps scanning and permissions. Once done, keep your SSID and password visible. Passwords are case-sensitive, so you can type without pauses. Now open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and wait while the phone scans nearby networks. If you don't see your network, restart the phone or toggle Wi-Fi off and on to force a fresh scan. Then move to selecting the correct SSID. You now pick the right SSID from the list and tap it. Accuracy matters because similar names exist. When the prompt appears, type the password slowly and use the show option to confirm characters. Once entered, press connect and watch the status message, authenticating, obtaining IP. If your network is hidden or requires manual settings, open Advanced. Choose DHCP or static, set IP and gateway if required, and configure proxy only if your network uses one. Make sure security type matches the router, WPA2 versus open, then proceed to connect. You finish by verifying the device shows connected and an IP address in the Wi-Fi details. This proves you're on the local network. Next, test connectivity. Open a website or run a simple speed test to ensure internet access. If pages fail to load, forget the network, then re-add it, checking the password and security type again. As one key troubleshooting tip, reboot the router and your phone if problems persist. Often a restart clears DHCP.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.